Morning, MJ.
Very good morning, very good morning. Just try to do yogic breathing, breathing in from the abdomen, and continue to breathe, expanding the chest. Continue to breathe, expanding the shoulder and the clavicle. Hold your breath so long as you are comfortable. Very slowly release the shoulders, very slowly release the chest, very slowly release your abdomen. Push the abdomen as much behind as possible towards the spine. Continue to be focused on this till we start the class exactly at 7:20 when I start blowing the shank. Just continuously be focused only on your breathing. Watch your thoughts. If your mind wanders, bring it back to focus on your breathing. Just be focused on your breathing. Get ready to chant Om mantra 7 times. Make your sankalpa. I am chanting mantra Om, creating a protective energy field around me that keeps me protected against all external negative influences, external antibodies, and viruses. I am creating 3 layers of protection. Outer layer consisting of 6 friendly creatures, elephant behind me, a peacock in front, a tiger on the right side, a lion on the left side, an eagle above me, and a black tortoise below me. Inside of that is a big ring with balls of fire. All the balls are being lit, creating a firewall all around you. And the third layer of protection is from the subtle energy of mantra Om. Take your attention to your perineum between the anus and the genitals for men, and the cervix for women. Visualize a 4 petal lotus. Visualize a color red emanating from the Shushumna Nadi. Take a deep breath in. Take your awareness to the spinal terminus at the coccyx bone, 6 petal lotus, color orange. Take a deep breath in. Take your awareness behind the navel, 10 petal lotus, color yellow. Increase the pitch a little more. Take a deep breath in for a mantra. Take your awareness behind the heart center and Nahata. 12 petal lotus, color green. Increase the pitch further. Take a deep breath in. Take your awareness behind the throat pit, 16 petal lotus, color blue. Increase the pitch further. Take a deep breath in. Take your awareness behind the eyebrow center, 2 petal lotus, color indigo or violet. Increase the pitch further. Take a deep breath in. Take your awareness to top of the center of the head, 1000 petal lotus, color white. Increase the pitch further. Take a deep breath in. Shanti mantras. Om Sadhana Bhavatu Sahana Bhunatu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadidamastu Navedishavahai Om Shanti 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 Harigi Om. Gently keep your hands in Linga Mudra. Interlace all the 4 fingers. Left and thumb is erect. Right and index finger and thumb will be rotating around the left and thumb. Keep your hands near your chest. Make your sankalpa for chanting Mahamrityunjaya mantra by joining me. I'm chanting Mahamrityunjaya mantra for physical health and mental well-being. Chanting the mantra every day helps me maintain the best of health mentally and physically. All the brain cells and the body cells are operating optimally and in harmony with each other. I go down before you, thanking you from the bottom of my heart for keeping me in pristine health. I promise to put in efforts from my side to keep this body in a healthy condition, befitting for you to reside inside this body in your effulgent form. If you know the mantra, chant along, otherwise just let the vibrations of the sankalpa keep rotating in your mind. Om Triambakam Yajamake Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarkamiva Bandhanan Mrityor Mukshiyamamritat Om Triambakam Yajamake Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarkamiva Bandhanan Mrityor Mukshiyamamritat Om Triambakam Yajamake Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarkamiva Bandhanan Mrityor Mukshiyamamritat Om Shanti 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 Harigi Om. Very slowly disengage your hands and keep them on your knees. Just be very steady. Be in the awareness of the steadiness of your body. As the body becomes steady, so does the mind. Feel complete harmony between the body and the mind and the body. Feel yourself completely grounded to Mother Earth. Feel the confidence that she will provide for all your necessities at all times. Feel a renewed confidence surging inside you, a confidence that gives you the ability to meet all external situations head on, be they pleasant or unpleasant. Now, very gently bring your eyes to your Bhrumadhya. In that Bhrumadhya, visualize eyes which is closed. Make the imagination as vivid as you can. See the eyes, the eyelids, the eyebrows of this eye which is closed. Now, mentally and psychically try to pierce open this eye and feel the eyelid of this eye open up. As you increase your visualization and you can actually see this eye open up, your intuitive powers will start getting accentuated. Take your time. Now, very gently release your hands, release your legs, and stretch your legs a little bit and get ready for today's practice. Just give me a minute. So, we are on lesson 6 today. Just to give you a reminder, in lesson 1, we worked on the extensor muscles of the back. In lesson 2, we worked on the abdominal muscles on the front, the flexor muscles in the front. In lesson 3, we worked on the oblique muscles on the side and the pelvic muscles. In lesson 4, we put them all together into a twisting motion. And then in lesson 6, we worked on the legs. And now we are going to work on the shoulder and the neck region. So get ready for this movement. I'm going to make some variations from the typical textbook requirement. In the books, normally we are advised to do all on the left side first and then on the right side. Normally, time will not permit you to complete both. And then you're expected to do it the following day. If you don't do that, there will be an imbalance between the right and the left. So to try and maintain the balance, we will do certain practices on the left, complete those practices on the right, then go to the subsequent practices on the left, try and complete them on the right, so that whatever we do, they are balanced on both the right and the left side. So let both your knees face towards the left. The feet of the left leg is towards the thigh of the right leg. The right leg feet is folded behind, closer to your buttocks. Once you are in this position, Keep your left hand by the side of the body. Don't lean on the left hand. It is just like an anchor support, but let the body and the spinal cord hold your body up. Just keep it as a slight support on the left side. Keep the right hand on your left shoulder. Keep the right hand on your left shoulder. Now, in this position, take a deep breath in, and while breathing out, turn the entire shoulder, neck, face, everything to the left side. As much as you can comfortably turn without any problem. So the shoulder turns, the neck turns, and the head turns. Then breathing in, come back to the center. Round one, hold your breath. Again, breathing out, turn to the left side. Hold your breath. Breathing in, come back to the center. Try and keep the shoulders straight. Don't let the shoulder bend, backside bend. Keep the spinal cord straight. Next round, breathing out, turn to the left side. Breathing in, come back to the center. Fourth round, feel what kind of turning happens at the spinal cord. Be aware of the muscles on both sides. See how the shoulder is turning. Be aware of the neck muscles turning. Pay attention to all the muscles. What are the aspects that is helping you turn? Slowly come back. Relax, release your hands, take some rest. Now once again, left hand on the side, right hand on the shoulder. Now, breathing out, turn to the left side. Hold your breath. Breathing in, bring only the head to the center. The body stays there. Only bring the head back to the center. Hold your breath. Breathing out, take the head back to the left side. Hold your breath. Breathing in, bring only the head back to the center. Hold your breath. Breathing out, take only the head back to the left. Breathing in, bring only the head back to the center. Hold your breath. Breathing out, take only the head back to the left. Body is still on the left only. Breathing in, bring the head back to the center. And then release, relax. Take a couple of breaths in and out. When you're ready, again, left hand on the left side, right hand on the left shoulder. Now, take breathing out, take the entire body, neck, everything to the left side. Now, only take the eyes to the right side, only the eyes. And then take the eyes back to the left side. Once again, take only the eyes to the right side and see if you get any funny sensation on your neck when you're doing this. Continue. Your body is used to move the head and the neck together. When you disjoin, you will find the neck wants to participate. Just become aware. Then come back and relax. Once again, keep the left hand on the left side, Right hand on the left shoulder, close your eyes. Keeping your eyes closed, take a deep breath in. Breathing out, turn to the left side as much as you can. Breathing in, bring everything back to the center. The body, shoulder, head, everything. Again, breathing out, turn the whole body back to the left. Breathing in, come back to the center. Breathing out, turn back to the left side. Breathing in, come back to the center. And last time, turn back to the left side. And then open your eyes and see where exactly you are seeing at the back, where exactly your nose is pointing. Keep that as a reference point and then come back to the center and relax. Now, last of the practice in this series, again, left hand on the left side, right hand on the left shoulder. Now, this time, when you're turning the body to the left side, become aware of what happens to the right thigh. You'll find that the right thigh wants to come up. Allow it to come up as much as it wants to come up. Become conscious of it. Be conscious of the movement on your pelvic region. Be conscious of the movement at the neck region. With these three, consciousness and awareness, take a deep breath in, breathing out, turn to the left side, allow the right knee to come up wherever it wants, and then breathing in, come back. Notice that when you allow the right thigh to come up, your turning angle increases. Second round, be aware of the turning angle increase when your right thigh is allowed to come up. Come back. Third round, breathing out, turn to the left side, allow the right thigh to come up. See how much you can turn more now. Again, come back. Just see as your awareness increases, your turning angle keeps increasing on its own without any extra effort. Come back. Now last round and see where exactly you are now seeing, where exactly your nose is now pointing. And then come back and relax. Now we'll repeat all this on the right side before we go to the next movement. So fold the legs the other way around. Both the knees are pointing to the right side. The feet of the right leg is aligned along the thighs of the left. Right hand on the right side. The left hand on the right shoulder. And now take a deep breath in. Breathing out, turn the whole body, eyes, everything to the right side. And see where exactly your nose is pointing now. Then breathing in, come back. Hold your breath. Breathing out, turn the whole body to the right side. Become aware of the pelvic turning. This time become aware of the left thigh coming up. Allow it to come up. Be aware of the neck movements. Breathing in, come back slowly. And when you're coming back, see how the neck muscles are relaxing and releasing. Be aware of that. Once again, breathing out, turn to the right side. Breathing in, come back. Hold your breath. Breathing out, turn the whole body, head, neck, everything to the right side. And then breathing in, come back. And then relax. Take a couple of breaths in and out. Then get ready for the next practice. So you know by now, we will take the whole body to the right side, and then only the head will come back to the center, only the head will go back. So only the head will turn back and forth. So get ready. Left hand on the right shoulder. Take a deep breath in. Breathing out, turn the whole body to the right side. Upper body to the right side. Hold your breath. Breathing in, bring only the head to the center. Be aware of the muscle movements. Breathing in, turn only the head back to the right side. Pay full attention to the neck muscles. Breathing in, come back to the center. Once again, breathing out, turn the head to the right side. Breathing in, come back. When you start paying more attention to the neck muscles, they start increasing the flexibility. Your turning angle tends to increase. Just be aware. Once again, breathing out with attention to the neck muscles. See whether you are able to turn a little more than what you did first. Come back. Last round, turn the head to the right side. When you pay attention to the neck muscles, see whether the turning angle increases. Breathing in, come back. Bring the body back. Release and relax. Take a couple of breaths in and out. Get ready for the third movement. This time only the eyes will come back. So get ready. Right hand, left hand on the right shoulder, right hand by the side of the body. Breathe in and hold your breath. Breathe out, turn the entire body, upper body to the right side, along with the neck, eyes, everything. Now move only the eyes to the left side. When you do that, see whether the neck wants to move. Do you get any twitching feeling there? Then take the eyes back and continue back and forth. Only the eyes move. Every time the eyes moves, pay attention to what happens at the neck. See how it stabilizes after some time. Then release and come back. Take a couple of breaths. Once again, right hand by the right side, left hand on the right shoulder. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Breathing out, turn the entire body, upper body to the right side. Hold your breath. Breathing in, bring the entire upper body, neck, face, everything back to the center, keeping the eyes closed. Hold your breath. Breathing out once again, turn the entire upper body to the right side. Turn as much as your body can turn on its own. Once again, breathing in, come back to the center. Hold your breath. Breathing out, turn the entire upper body to the right side. Breathing in, come back to the center. Breathing out, once again, entire upper body to the right side. Breathing in, come back to the center. Last round. Breathing out, turn the entire upper body to the right side. And now open your eyes and see whether you have turned a little more than the first round. Then come back and release. Now get ready to repeat this. Left hand on the right shoulder, right hand by the side. Take a deep breath in. While breathing out, turn the entire upper body to the right side. Allow the left thigh to come up and see whether you can turn a little more. Then breathing in, come back. Hold your breath. Once again, turn the entire upper body to the right side, allowing the left thigh to come up. See the increased turning angle. Again, come back, breathing in. Hold your breath. Breathing out, turn the entire upper body to the right side. Pay attention to the neck muscles as well. See whether the attention makes you turn even more. Once again, come back. Last round, with complete attention on the neck muscles, on the left thigh, and the spinal cord vertebrae. See whether you can turn even more. Then come back. You're not doing anything in terms of effort. Only the awareness is automatically making the brain respond, releasing the muscles, allowing your turning angle to go up. Just become aware of this. Now relax and release. Take some rest. Now once again, turn the knees to the left side. Both the knees to the left side. Left hand by the side. The right hand will come over the head and catch somewhere near the left ear. Then, while breathing out, let the neck relax. Only you can actually keep it on top of the head itself, because you have to use the hand to bend. Don't use the neck muscles. Just let the hand take the head down with the ear going towards the shoulder, right side shoulder. Then breathing in, come back and try to push the head down to the left side. Breathing in, come back. Breathing out, using the hand, bring the head down to the right side. Breathing in, come back. Breathing out, push the head to the left side. Breathing in, come back. Breathing out, pull it to the right side. Breathing in, come back. Breathing out, push it to the left side. Then come back and relax. So once again, left hand by the left side, right hand on the left shoulder. Now we'll do opposite movements. So breathing out, turn the entire upper body to the left side. Allow the right thigh to come up wherever it wants. Take it to the maximum angle you can turn. Now at this point, bring only the head back to the center. Now, when the head is going back to the left, let the body come to the center. Cross lateral movement. Then when the head is coming back to the center, body goes to the left. Then head goes back to the left, body comes back to the center. Again, head comes back to the center, body goes to the left. Last round, head goes back to the left, body comes to the center, and then bring the head back, release and relax. Once again, left hand by the left side, right hand on the left shoulder. Breathing out, take the entire upper body to the left side. Now bring only the eyes to the right side. And when the eyes are going to the left side, let the body and the head come back. Then let the eyes go to the right side, body and the head goes to the left. See, when you do this opposite movement, do you feel any funny feelings anywhere? Continue. Eyes on one side, one direction, body and the head on the other direction. And after you finish the round, release and relax. Now test as to whether you have increased your flexibility, keeping the right hand on the left shoulder, left hand by the side. Take a deep breath in. Breathing out, turn completely to the left side and see how much more you are able to turn now. Then breathing in, come back to the center and relax. Now we will repeat this on the left side, on the right side. So let the knees turn to the right. Position yourself. Now the left hand will hold the head. Breathe in first. While breathing out, let the hand pull the head to the left side. See the stretch of the neck muscles on the opposite side, the contraction of the neck muscles on the side you are bending. Come back to the center and push the head to the right side. When you are pushing the head to the right side chest contracts, the left side chest expands. The right side pelvis contracts. The left side pelvis expands. Be aware of all this. Once again, push the head back to the left side. Now the left ribs are contracting, left pelvis is contracting, right side is expanding. Be aware of this opposite movements. One side is contracting, other side is expanding. Once again, push the head to the right side. And as you become aware of the movement and the contraction and the relaxation on the two sides, see whether your head can move or bend down a little more. Are you now able to touch your ears to the shoulder just because you have become aware of what is happening in the body? Just see this increased neck flexibility. If it has not happened, pay more attention and it will happen. Then come back to the center, release and relax.
I just want to ask you about this movement. When you hold your ear with your hand, like for instance, if I do it with my right hand, it is easier for me to pull it to the right. But pulling it the other way with the same hand is pushing it is difficult.
No, you take it to the other side and push it. Take the hand to the other side and push it. See, if I'm, that's it, yeah.
Okay.
Correct.
No, if you're holding it like this, you're holding my left ear with my right hand.
That is only, the holding on this side is only to turn to the left side. When you have to turn to the right side, you have to push it, move the hand to the other side.
Oh.
Correct. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, got it.
Because if you have to keep it like this and do it, the moment you keep the hand on this side and move it to the same side, automatically it is your neck muscles that you are operating and it is not with the pressure of the hand. Only when you use the hand on the opposite side, it is your hand that is moving, the neck muscles are allowed to be relaxed. Okay? Yeah. Now, come back. Right hand on the right side, left hand on the right shoulder. Now take a deep breath in. While breathing out, turn the entire upper body to the left side. And now bring only the face to the center. Then let the face go to the left. Let the body come back to the center. Then let the face come to the center. Let the body go back to the left. To the right, sorry. Then let the face go to the right. Body comes back to the center. Let the face come back to the center. Body turns to the right. Let the body come back to the center. Face turn to the right. Then come back to the center and release. Take some rest. Now the eyes and the body will be in opposite directions. So keep the hand on the right shoulder, left hand on the right shoulder. Take a deep breath in. While breathing out, turn the entire upper body to the right side. Then the eyes move to the left. Then the eyes move to the right. The body moves to the center along with the face. Then the eyes moves to the left. The body and the face moves to the right. Then the eyes moves to the left, right. Body and head comes back to the center. Repeat this continuously. Make sure that the head and the body are on the opposite direction to the movement of the eyes. Do it slowly with awareness. Let it go in the opposite direction. Then come back to the center and relax. Now we'll test the improvement. So keep the left hand on the right shoulder, right hand by the side of the body. Now when you're turning, be conscious of the muscle movements, the twist in the spinal cord, and see how the awareness increases the turning angle. So take a deep breath in. While breathing out, turn the entire upper body to the right side. Allow the left thigh to come up and see how much more you can turn at the back. Then slowly come back to the center. Keep your awareness continuously on the neck muscles and the spinal vertebrae and the hip joints. Once again, turn to the right side and see as you keep on paying more attention, is the turning angle increasing on its own without any additional effort? Just proprioceptive concentration. Once again, breathing out, turn the whole upper body to the right side. Breathing in, come back, release, and relax. In regular exercise, you're expected to do it more number of times, but for the class, we have reduced the number of times. So when you're practicing on your own, you can increase the number of counts. You can go up to 10 rounds. Stretch your legs a little bit. Taking the feet forward, and then taking the feet backward, taking the feet forward, then taking the feet backward. Then get ready for the next round. Both the knees bend to the left side, the left feet along the right thigh. Now bring both the hands to the right side. Both the hands to the left side, sorry. Both the hands are on the left side. And then breathing in, hold your breath. Breathing out, turn the entire body, neck, everything to the left side. And breathing in, bring it back to the center. Hold your breath, breathing out, turn the entire upper body to the left side. Breathing in, bring the entire upper body to the center. Now breathing out, turn the entire upper body to the left. Breathing in, bring only the head back. Bring only the head back. And then take the head back, bring the body to the center. Then bring head back to the center, body to the left. Bring the head, take the head to the left side, bring the body to the center. Last round, head to the center, body to the left, and then release and relax. Once again, both the hands on the left side. Take a deep breath in. Breathing out, turn the entire upper body to the left side. Now in this position, breathe out complete, breathe out, breathe in, sorry, breathing in, look up. Breathing in, look up, hold your breath. Breathing out, look down. Hold your breath. Breathing in, look up. Breathing out, look down. Breathing in, look up. Breathing out, look down. Now breathing in, only let the eyes go up. Head is looking down, eyes going up. Now breathing out, let the eyes come down, head goes up. Then the eyes goes up, head comes down. Eyes comes down, head goes up. Be conscious that the eyes and the head are in the opposite direction. Sometimes it will go back in the same direction unknown to you. So be aware. Then come back to the center. The last time, keep your hand on the left side, right hand on the left shoulder. Take a deep breath in with complete awareness of all the movements in the muscle and the thighs on the right side. Very gently breathing out, turn to the left side and see how much more you are turning now. And then very slowly come back to the center and release. Relax a little bit. Now let the knees go towards the right side. The feet of the right leg is along the left thigh. Both the hands are on the right side. Take a deep breath in. Breathing out, turn the entire body, head, everything to the right side. Breathing in, bring all of them back to the center. Hold your breath. Breathing out, turn the entire upper body to the right side. Hold your breath. Breathing in, bring the head, upper body to the center. Breathing out, take all of them to the right side. Breathing in, bring only the head to the center. Let the body remain where it is. Bring only the head to the center. Now breathing out, head goes to the right, body comes to the center. Breathing in, head comes to the center, body goes to the right side. Breathing out, head goes to the right side, body comes to the center. Breathing in, head comes to the center, body goes to the right. And then release and relax. Now up down motion on the right side. So keep both the hands on the right side. Take a deep breath in. Breathing out, turn the entire upper body to the right side. Now breathing in, lift the head up. Breathing out, look down. Breathing in, look up. Breathing out, look down. Breathing in, look up. Breathing out, look down. Now breathing in, only the eyes goes up. Breathing out, eyes goes down, head goes up. Breathing in, eyes goes up, head goes down. Breathing out, eyes goes down, head goes up. Make sure they're in the opposite direction. Breathing in, eyes goes up, head goes down. Breathing out, eyes goes down, head goes up. Then come back to the center and relax. Now once again, keep the right hand on the right side, left hand on the right shoulder. Take a deep breath in. Or breathing out, turn completely to the right side and see how you are able to turn even more than what you did. More than what you imagined your body can turn. Enjoy this increased flexibility and then very slowly come back to the center and relax and release. Just be attentive to your neck region and the shoulder region. Just feel whether you can sense any increased flexibility, increase the relaxation in the shoulder muscles, in the neck muscles. Just see if you can try this and see, feel the increased flexibility. So breathing in, bring both the hands up. Hold your breath. Breathing out, join them together and take them down behind. And see if you can touch the back on the back side. Then breathing in, take them up, spread the hands out. Once again, breathing out, join the hands together and take them down and see how much you can take it down. And then breathing in, take it up and then release and relax. Just focus on your breathing. Be in yogic breathing when I blow the shank. Make a sankalpa for chanting Om, creating protective energy fields around you. Take a deep breath in for Om mantra. Shanti mantras. Asatoma sadgamaya, tamasoma jyotirgamaya, mrityorma mritam gamaya, सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु, सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु, सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु, सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु, लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु। ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम्, उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरिः ॐ। Rub your hands nicely. When they are warm, then keep them on your eyes. When they are warm, keep them on your eyes and then feel the warmth flowing in from the palms into the eyes. Then very gently open your eyes. Be observant of what colors you see when you open the eyes. Very slowly release your hands. Hari Om, that's it. So have a great week ahead. See you all on Thursday for lesson 2 of somatic yoga. Bye.